Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Reactor Nuclear Packing Puzzle Expansion Set Polonium. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this is an expansion set for the reactor core base puzzle. You have to buy the main puzzle first, and then you can get more with it by buying the expansions. This one is the plutonium, or polonium, and it's blue. It's the blue one. For reference, reactor will be printed on the front of the puzzle facing towards me, and that will give you how this board is situated. So, to begin with, I guess also I should explain this. These have magnets in them. The longest ones, we actually have 3 different sizes of nubs, 3 different depths of holes. The longest has these colored tips. There's a magnet in the tip, there's a magnet in the hole. If you put it in the wrong hole, well, this one's the right hole, it attracts and it holds it in. Wrong hole, and it will repel. And it'll keep popping out, you can't keep it in there. Okay, so this will actually be the first piece we start with. We got this square notch, round hole notch, triangular notch, and then triangular nub. And we will place it right here. Then we'll take one of our square blocks. Let's see which one we actually want. We have 3 in total. This is the one I want. So we have a triangular notch, we have the corner knocked off, we have a triangular notch, we have a round corner knocked off, and a round notch and a square corner knocked off. Lots of little features. The long piece will go into this hole, and it should attract. If it doesn't, you might have the wrong piece. There's 3 squares and they kind of look similar. So let's get some of these little chunks off the way. Let us go with this one. So we have a long and a medium. We also have a triangular notch. We have the corner knocked off. We have 2 round nubs, a round knocked off corner, and a straight knocked off corner. And this piece will go right here. Okay, next up, let's do this one. So we have a round nub, a round corner knocked off, we have a square notch, we have a round corner knocked off, just a knocked off corner, and a triangular nub. And this one is going to go right here. And it's kind of funny because you got a triangular nub entering a square hole. So these nubs don't always made up to their proper ones, but I mean, it's flush, it fits perfectly fine, no resistance, so we're good. Let's go with another one of these. We have a triangular nub. I should almost be like over top of this maybe. A triangular nub, knocked corner, square, 2 rounds, rounded corner, and just a corner knocked off. And this one will go right here. We'll go with another one of these square pieces. So we have round nub, rounded off corner, square nub, triangular notch, rounded notch. And this will go right here. We'll go with this guy. We have triangular notch and we have a triangular nub, and we got 2 corners knocked off. and it will go right there. Our final square piece, which has the 2 triangle nubs, 1 rounded notch, 1 triangular notch, rounded corner, square corner, rounded corner. And this piece will go like so. This piece is not going to go like so, I needed to rotate it. So, longer nub here, longer hole there, goes right there. And our final piece in the corner. Round nub, round notch, square corner, or square notch corner, regular cut corner. And this piece will go right here. So there we have it. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.